Okay, good afternoon. This is Karl Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania, Friday, July 17th, 2020. I think this is really uncomfortable, but this intro is going to be kind of the format, the bulk of this video anyway, is this intro. I'm going a new direction in my videos, but today we're going to be talking about how to make breakfast egg burritos with sausage, and we're going to get into that right after this. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Okay, this is Karl F. Rose again. Friday, July 24th. July 24th. I think I said 17th in the intro. Anyway, first of all, here's what you need: a pan, the manwich, the sausage, the eggs, and in the bowl in the background to mix the eggs. And basically, put everything into a pan, and then you brown the sausage with the manwich in there, and then you beat the eggs, and then you beat the eggs, and you pour the beaten eggs into the mix, and then you kind of cook it until they're all scrambled. So, but we'll get into that. So until the next one. Okay, now we're what we're doing is we're browning the sausage, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to beat the eggs and mix the egg mix into the sausage here. It's almost done browning up, so I'll keep this on, and I'll get the eggs in there, and let's see, yes. Got all that going. Okay, so yeah. See, it's all done, well done. You want to make sure that you cook the sausage all the way through, because sausage is pork and poultry. You want to cook all the way through, otherwise you're going to get sick. Okay, so that's going. That's still cooking. I'm going to shut this off here now. Okay, now we have the eggs in the bowl, like here. Where is that? Okay, the bowl like that. I'm going to whisk them up with my whisk. I'm whisking them behind the camera here. But anyway, you'll see the mixture here. Whisk them really good. And then we're just going to pour them into the mix. Sausage is starting to smell good. Okay. Okay, there you go. See that you got the get my hand over there, and there's the whisked eggs there. Okay, now you just pour this in, and now you pour your eggs in there like that. Okay, and then you mix it all up until they're scrambled. And I'm going to shut this off now. Okay, I actually forgot to put in the manwich, but it's not too bad. kind of, and it's holding up, or it's getting solid, so I still have time. So I'm going to add in the sandwich now. There we go. I should have added the sandwich in before the eggs, but that's okay. It's still going to work. Okay, and in a few minutes, I'll just stir it up. Yeah, I'll just stir it up here because it's almost done. So I'll just stir this up. And because the eggs are basically, it's pretty much done. I just got to mix the sandwich in with it. And now what you have is, and then all you have to do is just put little portions into a burrito shell, and there you go. Then you have your breakfast burrito, and then if you want any additional spices, I'm just going to get this all mixed up evenly, and we can go from there. But yeah, as I said, I should have added the sandwich before the eggs. Just things got a little crazy around here. I'm going to do this. There we go. Okay. Now I just need it to thicken up, and then I'm going to put them into burrito shells. So I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to let it sit, thicken up for a bit. Take it off the burner and let it sit for like maybe about 2 minutes or so. Let it thicken up, and then put them into burrito shells. And there you go. There you have it. I don't want it this runny in the burrito shells, but if you let it sit for a few minutes, there we go. You have it. It's done. Okay. All right.